If browser tabs disappear on relaunch, you can right-click on a tab to pin it, but there is no direct way to save or pin tab groups. In fact, you want to save all websites in tabs and open them at each browser restart, right? To do that, you have two options. For first option, open Google Chrome settings, click on Startup and then select Continue where you left off option. It will open all tabs on next browser start. For same feature in Microsoft Edge browser, click Start Home and select Open tabs from previous session. For second option, right click on Bookmarks bar and select Add folder. Now click and drag your preferred tab links to the folder. Next time when you launch browser, simply right click on the folder and select Open All. As pro tip, you can click profile photo and turn on the sync feature so that you can open same bookmarks folder on Android phone. Watch next videos for more browser tips.